Wow. I mean, when you look at this now, you can kind of see how all these pieces come together, right? And if I told you early on that a theme could have been freedom versus confinement, I mean, when you were just looking at baseball, I don't think you would have bought that. But now, once you're taking a look at all the pieces and how they come back together to go and help you understand the whole, especially about the setting, freedom versus confinement kind of makes a lot of sense. So, having watched that, I think it's time that we go ahead and, let's try and track this in our composition notebooks. So go ahead and open up your composition notebook, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what you need to go ahead and copy into your notebook. So I'm going to go ahead and pause. You guys pause the video right here so you can draw this into your notebook. Go ahead and pause. Good. So, how are you going to fill this out? Well, if it were me filling this out for the video we just watched, I would just simply write down the setting of the prison ball field. I'd have it on page 121. And by the way, having a page number is really important, so make sure you find a scene that very clearly gives a lot of detailed description about a setting that impacts your story. Give it some details: high fences, armed guard towers, dusty, it's exposed to the elements. But then down here, how does, first of all, your setting impact the story, and also how does your setting impact the characters? If I'm thinking about this, my setting of the prison impacts the story because, well, all of a sudden now the way that these guys are playing baseball is going to go ahead and kind of change the way that they're kind of living out their sentence. So both of the setting and the game of baseball are now going hand in hand and playing off each other. At the same time, how will this impact problems in the stories? Well, if any of the players run into problems in the prison, I mean, think about it. Being on this baseball team is probably a really big deal. So if they have poor behavior, they're going to lose it. This is really going to magnify issues they have and actually maybe help as a motivator to go and help them behave. So this is how I'd go ahead and track what I'm noticing in my story. So now it's your turn to do the exact same thing. What I want you to do is I want you to spend a good 8 minutes, and I want you to reread and look back into sections that you've already read and look for moments of setting. Look for those really long, detailed passages that talk all about settings. And remember, you have a complex book. There's probably many different settings in your story. So think about a setting that you remember reading that has a lot of detail that you could probably examine and analyze and think, how does this setting impact my story or my characters, the problems that they're facing? While you're reading, in your composition notebook, go ahead and jot down how is the setting impacting the story and how is the setting impacting problems faced by other characters. So, right now in your composition notebook with your literary nonfiction book, give that a try.